Introducing the olloclip, the quick connect lens solution for the iPhone. The olloclip is 3 lenses in one: a fisheye lens, a wide-angle lens, and a macro lens. The olloclip works great with video too, and it's really easy to use. Here's how it works. Just slide it onto your iPhone. Flip it around to switch from the fisheye to the wide angle. Simply unscrew the wide angle lens to reveal the macro lens. Works great with any photo or video app, and it's made with quality materials and built to last. olloclip, the quick connect lens solution for the iPhone.